Innovative College of Professional Studies Private Limited is offering UKQ Level 3 Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. This qualification aims to give students basic workplace skills for mechanical engineering, welding and fabrication. It may be used as the first stage of an apprenticeship or as the basis for further training. There is a strong focus on experimental and practical techniques so you learn to apply your knowledge to real industry scenarios. You will also develop your analytical and problem-solving abilities. This is a challenging and exciting course, featuring work experience and delivered by enthusiastic expert tutors all keen to support you towards success. Mechanical Engineering Health and Safety. Mechanical Engineering Trade Skills. Mechanical Engineering Measurement. Mechanical Engineering Materials. Engineering Principles. Design and Manufacture. Business Considerations. Electronics. CAD. Engineering Project. Employability Skills. Tools and Equipment. Fitting. Machining. Fabrication. Mechanical engineering finds applications in all fields of technology. They could work in many industries including private or public sector industries of various types, and their work varies by industry and function. With the rapid rate of expansion in the industrial sector, the employment potential for mechanical engineers is very high. Job market is as follows. Aerospace and Aeronautical Industry or PAF. Automotive or car industry. Nuclear industry or Atomic Energy Commission. Manufacturing industry, all types of factories. Railways. Marine or Navy. Government sector. IT industry or mechatronics and robotics. Mechanical engineering technicians need to have excellent mechanical engineering skills, as well as technical drawing and computer skills for designing machines and equipment. It requires IT, design and analytical skills together with an ability to conceptualize structures. They must have numeric skills as maths is an important tool, an inquisitive and logical mind to make connections between ideas and handle abstract concepts, creative and innovative ideas to find solutions to problems which may need a new perspective, good practical skills to apply maths and science to real problems. Organizing ability, practicality, ability to get on well with people of all types, ability to keep calm under pressure and flexibly to work in a multidisciplinary area are an asset in the field. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ, Limited will work to become the awarding body of choice for all education and specially in occupational health and safety at all levels. To promote education in every field of life and to support professional education, training, and strong employment skills. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ, Limited values guide our actions through our work. Performance. We strive to succeed in all our endeavors and deliver excellence through education. Partnership. We work in collaboration to be innovative and find solutions to shared issues. Be open and honest at all times. Professionalism. We remain objective and professional at all times, acting with integrity in an ethical way, treating everyone with respect. Passion. We are passionate in all endeavors, working and communicating for the benefit of our stakeholders. The qualification is designed to be flexible in its delivery to accommodate part-time and distance learning. The qualification is delivered face-to-face, through lectures, tutorials, seminars, distance, online by approved centers only. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by the center and externally verified by UKQ. The qualifications are criterion referenced, based on the achievement of all the specified learning outcomes. Learners must complete all units and pass the appropriate mark to receive the full diploma award. UKQ will issue certificates to all successful students through the registered centers. It is based on the average percentage mark, APM, or, at the discretion of UKQ, on the basis of your overall profile and performance subject to the minimum requirements. For detailed information, contact us on +9 2336 590 9194 or email at info@icpstudies.com.pk and visit our website www.icpstudies.com.pk.